Viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows hepatic hemangioma, hepatic masses, and a metastasis all in one patient. Now you can see the liver having coarse ecotexture. A liver hemangioma, also known as hepatic hemangioma, is a benign non-cancerous tumor in the liver that is made up of clusters of blood-filled cavities fed by the hepatic artery. Usually the patient has only one hemangioma, but in some cases there may be more than one. Now you can see the measurement of the liver, and it has normal size. Now you can see a small hemangioma in the left lobe of the liver. This is a hemangioma, and hemangioma is the most common benign tumor in the liver. The prevalence varying from 1 to 2% to 20%. In grayscale ultrasound, hemangioma typically appears as hyperechoic, well-defined lesion or hypoechoic masses with hyperechoic periphery. Hepatic hemangioma are benign vascular liver lesions. They are frequently diagnosed as an incidental finding on imaging, and most patients are asymptomatic. From a radiological perspective, it is important to differentiate hemangioma from hepatic malignancy. Hepatic hemangiomas are much more common in female, with a female to male ratio of about 5 to 1. Now you can see the liver and a mass. You can see a mass in the porta hepatis, round to oval semi-solid hyperechoic mass is seen in the porta hepatis. This is liver, and this one is the mass in the porta hepatis. Hepatic you can see the mass in porta hepatis. And you can see the measurement of the mass. It measures about 3.6 cm into 3.2 cm. Again, you can see the liver has coarse ecotexture. Now you are going to see the multiple hepatic masses. Multiple hepatic masses are seen in the lower portion of the left and right lobe of the liver. You can see these masses. This is the largest of these masses. It measures about 6.4 centimeter into 3.2 centimeter. Now these masses are round to oval in shape or semi-solid to solid in consistency. The second mass measures about 3.5 into 4.3 centimeter. The third one measures about 4.5 centimeter into 4.2 centimeter. A fourth mass, a metastasis, is seen along the wall of the left lobe of the liver. Now you can see the Again, you can see the hemangioma and the mass in the porta hepatis. Most benign liver tumors do not cause symptoms and are found incidentally on abdominal imaging studies, but these hepatic masses are slightly heterogeneous, have heterogeneous echogenicity. Now you can see the liver having hemangioma, mass in the porta hepatis, and multiple hepatic masses. The most common causes of cirrhosis are hepatitis and other viruses, alcohol abuse, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This happens from metabolic syndrome and is caused by the conditions such as obesity, high cholesterol and triglyceride, and high blood pressure. Now this is the mass in the porta hepatis. Most benign liver tumors do not cause symptoms. This is the mass, this is another mass. And this is a small mass. This is definitely a metastasis. You can see its shape, bull-like signs. Globally, the liver cancer is the third leading cause of cancer death after cancers of lungs and stomach. The highest incidence of hepatocellular carcinoma (HCC) is in China, representing about 50% of HCC cases worldwide, with most of the cases associated with hepatitis B virus infection. Cholangiocarcinoma also has a disproportionate geographical distribution, with Thailand having the highest global rates due to the presence of liver flukes. Accurate characteristics of liver masses are cross-sectional imaging of liver disease with cirrhosis, portal hypertension, and hypersplenism. Focal fat is also hyperechoic to the normal liver parenchyma on ultrasound. Now you can see the liver, and I want to show again the metastasis. You can see the multiple masses, and this one is a metastasis. Liver metastasis means that cancer has spread. Thanks for watching. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.